good, guys? It's your girl Leighanne, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of full face but mostly focusing on my eyes with the Tarteist Pro palette, which I just got. I really enjoyed using this palette, so if you like this look, keep watching the video. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to use the color Innocent as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mod on a fluffy brush and just do the same thing. Next, I'm going to take the shade Drama on a small blender brush and put that in my outer corner. And for the shimmer, I'm going to take the shade Minx on my finger and just pat that all over my lid. Actually, I'm just going to pack Minx on the outer corner, the outer middle words. And then on the inner part of my eye, I'm going to pack the shade Glam. Oh, here's this. I like that better. And then I'm just going to take my small blender brush and kind of blend all through that together. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus and dip that into Glam, just to get a little more pigment out of it. So that's what the eye looks like. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and put some lashes on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on lashes and a little bit of liner, and so let's get into the rest of the face. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer on just a big, huge powder brush, and just put that everywhere you would bronze. Since I completely skipped it and went straight to bronzer, we're going to put on some concealer. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. It's just a little sample I got from my Ipsy bag. That was gross. I don't need a lot of this stuff because on me, this seems to get really cakey, which I don't like cakey under eyes because of my dry skin. Spray my beauty blender with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus and blend it out. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the NYX finishing powder in Yellow Banana, which is shade 2. So for highlight today, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Manny MUA collection in Eclipse, and you can actually still get this on Beautylish. They still have this like whole collection. So I'm just going to take a Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to spray that with some Fix Plus, the sad remainder of my Fix Plus, and then just put that on the highlight. So for blush, I'm going to take the Estee Lauder Pure Color Brush in Rebel Rose Satin. I can't ever get this open. There we go. I'm just going to use that to blend. So on my under eye, I'm going to use the shade, not that. On my under eye, On my under eye, I'm going to use the shade Mod, which is just a small little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to run that under my eye. And then on a small little smudger brush, I'm going to take Drama and just under my eye. And for mascara, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and this is currently my favorite mascara ever. While my mascara dries, I'm going to do my lips. So for lips today, I'm going to wear the shade Delicious from Jeffree Star. On top of that, I'm going to use a gloss, and I'm going to use the Laritzi Cosmetics gloss in Aurora.
That's it.
This has quickly become one of my favorite glosses because it's pretty and glossy without being like super sticky. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye!